Hey guys, Kevin here, and today I'm gonna walk you through how I hydrate my skin by taking a bath. First thing, you need to get yourself some dead sea salt or Epsom salt. I got mine from Müller. What I would recommend is try to find something bigger than the regular 500 gram. This one is 1.5 kilograms. I've seen 5 kilos. I've seen more than that. You can even buy it in bulk. I'm gonna provide some links, but this one is 1.5 kilo. So now that you have your sea salt, you need to run some hot water in your bathtub. Let me show you. So what I do first is that I rinse off all the residue that might be in your bathtub. So you go all around here. So now that it's all cleaned up, run some really hot water and fill it let it just run for like 30 to 40 seconds, just so that it sits at the bottom of the bathtub. And when you have all the hot water sitting right there, that's when you're gonna pour the dead sea salt. So now that you have hot water sitting in the bottom of your bathtub, what you're gonna do is take your sea salt. The minimum doses or the recommended doses is like 500 grams, but you can go up that, but the higher you go, the higher the chance that it will sting if you have open wounds or if your skin is still healing, or I don't know. So just be aware of that. You can go up to, I don't know, a kilo for just a chill bath, or just something before bed, or just want to lie down and think about nothing. Just go for 500 grams, and also it would be cheaper. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna pour this baby. On this one I also got the markings, so that's really cool. So now that you've poured your 500 grams of sea salt in your bathtub, it's time to stir it up. Just something I forgot to mention is that we run the really hot water at first, so that the salt actually dissolve and really gets mixed up with the water. So let's mix it up. Now that you gave it a little stir, what you need to do is fill the rest of the bathtub. Don't go too hot, go for warm. Don't go too cold, just something where you're comfortable, just, sitting back and relax, and, just thinking about nothing. The duration of the bath, I go for 15 minutes. You can go higher than that, you can go 30, 45, but what they recommend is 15. And I mean, going up to 45 minutes is a bit long. I mean, if you have nothing planned and you just want to chill, go 45, but I usually go for 15. Once you're done, what you need to do is rinse off all the salt residue of your skin. Rinse off with warm water, or even if you feel like it, go for cold water. That's what I recommend. And for instance, if you're taking a bath right before bedtime, you can go warm, but if it's like the middle of the day or the morning, just go for a cold. It will actually benefit your skin. It'll wake you up. It won't dry out your skin. And when you're all rinsed up, you can pat yourself dry. And once it's done, what I would recommend is skincare. Go for something organic. Me personally, I use tallow, a tallow-based cream I made myself. I can talk about it in the next video. If you want to, just leave a comment and tell me. And once you moisturize your skin, you're good to go. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't be shy, leave a comment, share with us your TSW journey, what you're trying to heal, what skin condition you have. You're all welcome. Leave a like, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video.